love, betrayal, and redemption. Emma works in a small, cozy bookshop in the heart of the city. She loves the smell of books, the quiet atmosphere, and helping people find stories that brighten their days. Emma is 25, with auburn hair and a kind smile. She prefers a quiet life and spends her evenings reading or playing the piano in her small apartment. One rainy afternoon, a tall, charming man enters the shop. Jack has brown hair, bright blue eyes, and an easygoing manner. He's looking for a book about music. Emma notices his warm smile and feels her cheeks blush slightly. "Can you recommend something about jazz music?" Jack asks. Emma smiles and says, "Sure, follow me." As they talk about music, Jack shares that he plays the guitar. Emma reveals that she plays the piano. They laugh and bond over their shared love for melodies. Before leaving, Jack says, "Thanks for the help. I'll be back soon." Jack begins visiting the bookshop regularly. Each time, he brings Emma small gifts, a flower, a bookmark, or a piece of chocolate. They start spending time together outside of work. Jack takes Emma to a cafe where they talk for hours about books, music, and their dreams. Emma starts to feel something special for Jack. His laugh makes her heart flutter, and his kind words fill her with happiness. Jack seems to feel the same. One evening, after a walk in the park, Jack looks at Emma and says, "You make me smile like no one else." Emma blushes and looks away, but her heart is full. One sunny afternoon, as Emma and Jack sit at the bookshop talking, the door swings open. A stunning woman with long blonde hair, bright green eyes, and a confident stride walks in. She looks around the shop, and her eyes land on Jack. "Jack," she says, surprised. Jack turns and exclaims, "Lily! What are you doing here?" "I just moved to the city," Lily says, her smile dazzling. "It's been so long." She walks over and hugs Jack, completely ignoring Emma. Jack introduces them. "Emma, this is Lily, my old friend from college." "Lily, this is Emma." Lily looks at Emma briefly and says, "Nice to meet you." But her tone is cold. From that moment, Lily begins to insert herself into Jack's life. She starts calling him often, inviting him to events, and reminiscing about their college days. Jack, not wanting to be rude, agrees to meet her occasionally. Emma begins to feel uneasy. Lily's presence is overwhelming. Whenever they are together, Lily seems to dominate the conversation, drawing Jack's attention away from Emma. One evening, Emma asks Jack, "Do you like Lily more than me?" Jack looks surprised and says, "Emma, no. Lily is just a friend. You're the one I care about." Emma tries to trust him, but her heart feels heavy. Lily, on the other hand, seems to enjoy the tension. She often makes subtle comments like, "Jack and I used to spend hours playing music together. Remember those days, Jack?" Emma feels like an outsider in her own relationship. Lily becomes more aggressive in her attempts to win Jack's attention. She invites him to a fancy dinner and doesn't include Emma. Jack, feeling pressured, goes but regrets it when he sees how upset Emma is. "I'm sorry, Emma," Jack says the next day. "I shouldn't have gone." Emma forgives him but warns, Please don't let her come between us. Lily, however, is determined. She starts spreading rumors about Emma, telling Jack that Emma doesn't truly care for him. Jack begins to feel confused, torn between his old friendship with Lily and his growing love for Emma. One evening, Emma decides to surprise Jack at his apartment. She knocks, but there's no answer. She hears laughter from inside and peeks through the window. She sees Jack and Lily sitting close together, sharing a bottle of wine. Lily is leaning in, her hand on Jack's arm. Emma feels her heart shatter. She leaves without saying a word. The next day, Emma confronts Jack. "Were you with Lily last night?" she asks. Jack hesitates. "Yes, but it's not what you think," he says. "Not what I think?" Emma says, her voice trembling. "I saw you with her, Jack. I can't do this anymore." Emma walks away, leaving Jack speechless. Days turn into weeks, and Jack realizes how much Emma means to him. He decides to cut ties with Lily. "I can't see you anymore, Lily," Jack says firmly. "I love Emma, and I won't let anyone come between us." Lily is furious. "You'll regret this, Jack," she says before storming off. Jack goes to the bookshop with a bouquet of flowers. He finds Emma and says, "Emma, I made a mistake. I let Lily get too close, but my heart belongs to you. Can you forgive me?" Emma looks at him, her eyes filled with tears. "Jack, you broke my heart. How can I trust you again?" Jack replies, "I will prove my love to you every day. Please give me one more chance." Jack works hard to win Emma's trust back. He writes her love letters, surprises her with small gestures, and spends every moment showing her how much he loves her. Slowly, Emma begins to heal. Lily eventually leaves the city, unable to break their bond. After a year, Jack takes Emma to the park where they first met. He kneels down and holds out a small ring. "Emma, will you marry me?" he asks. Emma smiles and says, "Yes, Jack. I will." They marry in a beautiful ceremony, surrounded by friends and family. As they dance under the stars, Jack whispers, "Emma, you are my forever." Emma smiles and replies, "And you are mine." Their love, tested by jealousy, betrayal, and challenges, grows stronger every day.